This is our last problem from section 6.5 on complex fractions. Please notice that this z plus 4 is already factored, so is the z minus 4. Likewise, this z minus 4, and likewise this z plus 4. We're looking for an LCD because with a complex fraction, remember your two steps. Find an LCD, multiply through by it. Well, the LCD here would have to have one z plus 4 in it and one z minus 4 in it. So, z plus 4, z minus 4, z plus 4, z minus 4. In other words, we're multiplying through 4 times by this LCD. Bam, 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 and bam. Okay? So we found the LCD and we multiplied through once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Now, let me put my division bar and see what we're left with. Let's start here. When the z plus 4's cancel and I distribute the 8, I'm left with 8z minus 32. So let's write that down. 8z minus 32. Here, when I cancel the z minus 4's, I distribute a positive 3. I take 3 and I multiply it by z plus 4. That gives me a positive 3z and a positive 12. Okay, downstairs. This multiplication, I cancel the z minus 4's, but I distribute the 4. 4 times z plus 4 is 4z plus 16. And finally over here, the z plus 4's cancel, but now be very careful. I'm not distributing a positive 1, I'm distributing a negative 1. So, negative 1 times z is a negative z, and negative 1 times negative 4 is a positive 4. So very important that you see what happened there. Z minus 4 was in parens and I distributed a negative 1. That's how I got negative z plus 4. Now we back up and we collect like terms. In the numerator, 8z plus 3z is 11z. Negative 32 plus 12 is a negative 20. So we collected like terms. In the denominator, 4z minus z is 3z, and 16 plus 4 is a plus 20. And my last, this is all of course equals, my last thing here to make sure of is my answer in lowest terms? Well, yes it is. 11z minus 20 is an all or nothing, meaning you cannot cancel parts. 3z plus 20 is one factor. It's an all or nothing. You can't cancel parts. That is my answer right there that I'm circling. Now, do you have to leave parens around the numerator and denominator? Not at all. You may remove them as long as you don't do silly canceling after you remove them. There is no reducing here. Your answer's in lowest terms. And this concludes section 6.5 involving complex fractions.